This is not every path in real estate investing. These are the main ones for most of us where we can get started, where we can see an entry point today and start taking steps today to build the business that you're looking for. Wholesaling is the art of getting a discounted deal and then selling it to someone else for a little bit more. You're still selling at a wholesale price. So your end buyer is typically another investor. Okay, that's wholesaling in a nutshell. Owning rentals. You have short, you have mid, you have long-term rentals. Each one of those sections has different needs, different requirements, different expectations. But ultimately, you own an asset that you rent out and someone pays you monthly. Okay, it pays you a dividend. Flipping houses. Everybody's seen HGTV, right? Y'all get it? You know that? You buy a discount house, you put some investment into it, and you sell it ultimately to an end user that is probably retail. Okay, so you would sell it for a profit. Creative deal finding, what is that? That is what it sounds like, where you are actually kind of putting some pieces together, maybe using owner financing that we just talked about, maybe an installment sale, subject to lots of just putting pieces of deals together that takes a little bit more time and effort, but ultimately not necessarily extra money. Okay, that's how I'm going to define this little niche. There could be other definitions for it, but that's what we're going to use today. Private money lending, using your money to help it grow little baby monies. Okay, you lend your money out and you get interest back.
Hey guys, real quick, it's Andrew, and thanks for listening. I just want to give you a couple of tips. Go over to dealfindersclub.com/resources to get more information on the things that we're talking about today, some downloads and some links to some of our partners that can help you do your business better. And if you want to get connected and join us at some of our live events, check out the events page right there on dealfindersclub.com. And if you're ready to build, reach out through a message or chat with us through the website. You can find us there. And hey, as always, like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk to you soon. Real estate agent. You guys, most of y'all probably understand what that is, so we'll talk more about that. Property management, that's Bishop back there. Sorry I missed you earlier. But property management is a way to get into real estate, okay? And then passive limited partnerships. What this means is when you are a limited partner in deals, and this could be like a syndication where it's 100 or 200 or 300 unit apartment, or it could just be like a duplex. You're a limited partner. You don't do the heavy lifting or the work, but you're getting returns from that, okay? One that I don't think is here, but also partnering or participating in a fund, like a real estate fund. So you're putting your money into a fund where someone else is then going to work with it.